Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the factory pattern, right? So today we'll be discussing about the builder design pattern. So let's get into the definition part here. The builder pattern separates the construction of the complex object from its representation. Just remember this sentence. The builder pattern separates the construction of a complex object from its representation, right? All it allows step by step object creation, right? Basically it allows step by step object creation. When it is useful when an object has many optional parameters or needs to be built step by step, quite often used for configuration heavy objects, right? So let's see the same thing with very simple example, man. Right, let's see the same thing with very simple example. So here what I'll do, let me go with the class car. So let's go with the initialization part here, constructor part basically. So this one will be, I'll just go with init. So this one will be self. I'll just go with the engine. Let me set this one to none, and also self dot, I'll just go with wheels equals, let me set this one to none as well. So I'll just come out of this one entirely. Let me go with a uh, str method. So I'll just go with str. This is fine. Again, let me give self here. So let's return something, man. Uh, I'll just keep, let's go with a string interpolation here. I'll just go with because of the string interpolation here. Engine, uh, we have given self, right? Self dot. I have made use of the engine, so I'll just go with the engine here. Self dot engine. And for wheels, I'll just go with. So let me make this one capital W. So this one, this is fine. We have capital E already, right? So I'll just go with uh, self dot wheels. So this is fine. I'll just come out of this one entirely. So let's go with the um, class here, car builder. So this is fine, man. Let me come out of this one. Not come out of this one. Let's go with the initialization part. Basically, I'll just go with def init. So self. So this will be self dot car. Let me call the car class here. Let me call the car class here. This is fine. So yeah, now let me go with one more method here. So I'll just go with within the car builder class. So let's go with, we have already went with a str method, so this is fine. Let's go with the three methods here. One is add engine, another one is add wheels. So these two methods are enough. You can just add any number of this one methods. I'll just go with the add engine and add wheels, right? So I'll just go with add, yeah, engine. So within this, let me call self here along with a another parameter engine. So this is fine. This is going to be self dot car dot, so this one will be engine, so this one will be engine, right? So this is fine. Let's return self. Simple. So let's move on with the next method here. So let me copy the same thing and make the necessary changes, man. I don't want to type. So this is fine. Let me copy this one. Instead of the add engine, let me do one thing. Let me delete the word engine here. Instead, I'll just add wheels here. Self instead of the engine, again wheels. This is fine. So again, instead of the engine, let me make this one wheels. This is going to be wheels as well. It's fine. Again, we'll be returning self. So this is fine. Next, let me go with one more method here. Nothing but def build. So let me pass self here. This is fine. Let me return self dot car. We're done with this one, right? So we are done with the class car builder. We are done with the class car builder. Now let's build the car, man. So let's go with the builder. I'll just give your builder is equal to let's call this one car builder car, this one class basically, right? So let me assign car to we have made use of the variable builder, right? So we have made use of the add engine method. So I'll just make use of add engine here. So let's add something. Let me go with V8 engine here. Uh, V8 engine. Also, let me go with the add wheels method. This time we have already went with the add engine. So add wheels. So number of wheels I'll just give you 4. This is fine. So let me go with build. Final method is build, right? So we are basically building the car itself. Let me call the build method here. This is fine. Finally, let's print the car. So I'll just call car here, the small c, car with a small c basically, right? So we are done with the code. So basically again, what does the builder pattern do here? It separates the construction of complex object from its representation. It allows step-by-step object creation. It allows step-by-step object creation. That's what we have done here. First, let me run this one and let's discuss the output. So I'll just come here. Let me copy the file name .py. Can't open file. Such directory. What happened here? Just give me a second, man. 1 second. Hmm. So Python design patterns is there. So I'll just give Python here, build a pattern. Let me come here, copy this one, paste it over here, .py. Hey, what's wrong, man, here? Oh, let me do one thing here. Yeah, I have left the space here, right? So let me remove the space. So that is the reason this is giving me error. So this is fine. Let me come here, let me remove the space, let me enter. Now, so we have to get the output this one, right? V8 basically engine V8 and wheels 4, right? So we are getting the wrong output. Let's check what is wrong. Let me format this one. Let me run this one again. We're still getting the same thing. Main car object at this one. This is not even showing the this one error. So dot car object somewhere I have given this one, man. Just give me a second here. So yeah, what mistake I have done here is see indentation problem again. So this one I have moved inside the init method. So this one str method I have moved inside the init method basically. So wait, mistakes. I make this mistake many times. So this is fine. Let me format the code once. Let me run this one again. Now this has to work correctly, man. Let's see. Yeah, now this works actually. What we had done, so this one str method I had nested inside the init method basically. So that is wrong, right? So these two are different methods. Init is initialization part and str is different, right? So that is the reason we were getting the error, right? So now we are getting the correct output, engine V8 wheels 4, right? So which is absolutely correct, man, right? So each method here configures the part of the car. Each method, right? So each method here configures the part of the car. Nothing but here I am speaking of add engine, add wheels. These methods configures the part of the car, and build method returns the fully constructed object. This one I'm speaking of line number 28. This returns the fully constructed object, right? So this is it about the what do we call builder pattern, right? So builder pattern. So again, let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. The builder pattern is great for creating complex objects in steps. So we went step by step here, add engine, this one, add wheels, and finally build, right? So we are going step by step. The builder pattern is great for creating complex objects and steps. It's ideal when object construction involves multiple components. When it is ideal, it is ideal when object construction involves multiple components, right? So this is it for the builder patterns. Now let's we are done with the builder pattern. Next we'll be discussing about the strategy design pattern, right? So for now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.